we are going to upload a video watermark together because why not? I'm going to jump over to Canva, do a custom size. YouTube already tells me what the custom size is for my watermark. It's 150 by 150. So jump back over to Canva, 150 by 150. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a color that's really gonna stand out and goes with the sort of mindfully inspired colors that I already have. I might just jump back over and look at them. So I think I want it to be that kind of pink color. So I think this one I have is probably good. I think I might just darken it a bit so it pops. Yeah, I like that one right there. Okay, so now I'm just going to go to text. I really like to use a super bold text. I've learned in my year on YouTube trying to do like pretty cursive and all kinds of things. What really works best is a white font with a black outline. You'll see it a lot on YouTube in general. So keep that in mind. I added a heading and now I'm looking for a bold font, which I really like, the basic Open Sans Extra Bold. I'm gonna go with that guy. Actually, what's this one? The thing is I like my A's to be like an A and not like an A. Okay, so we're gonna go with this and I'm going to do 2 words. I'm going to do sub and then I'm going to back that up. I'm just going to copy him, hit him again, so I have another one, and I'm going to hit scribe. Whoops, and I want that to all be in capitals. All right, subscribe. I've got to make this guy smaller so he fits in the square. So we're gonna make him like fill it up as much as possible. So that's it. I really like how that looks. It's simple, it's clean, it looks really good in the bottom corner of the videos. You can do whatever you want. Again, what I highly suggest is go back to those 9 channels that you like the look of and go and look at their watermark and then see which one of those, take some inspiration, maybe blend a couple of the 2 together and come up with your perfect subscribe icon that you're going to use for that bottom watermark. So I'm going to download this guy right now. That was it, guys. Super easy from Canva to do that. And now I just go back over to that channel customization and branding tab, and I'm going to upload my watermark. Now, a little trick that you guys might want to consider is every time we upload something into YouTube, we're adding SEO opportunities. So right now, if I upload this subscribe icon, it's gonna get uploaded as gow.png for no reason at all. That's just how Canva saved it. So I have the option of going in here and adding some keywords. So I'm going to add mindful as one keyword, and I'm going to add inspiring as another keyword just into the title of that file. I'm going to save that, which then saves it all together on my computer. And again, I've just added one more little layer of SEO into this channel. So I'm going to hit upload again. It's going to be right there in my recent documents. The subscribe fits perfectly because we did the 150 by 150. It's a little bit blurry, but you really won't notice that in the video. And then I like to do a custom start time of 0.5 seconds. So that step is done. We can just publish that, start making some videos, and I'll talk to you again soon.